In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ratings column in Smartsheet. If you want a quick way to score ideas, track quality, or capture feedback at a glance, a ratings column is a simple visual tool that everyone on your sheet can understand immediately. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect on screen and why each choice matters. First, look to the far right edge of your existing columns. You'll see a small plus icon that lets you insert a new column. Click that plus sign to open your column setup options. This is where you choose the type of column you want to add. From the list, select Ratings. Choosing Ratings tells Smartsheet that this column will display a simple scale using icons rather than plain text or numbers, which makes scanning your sheet much faster. Next, give your Ratings column a clear, descriptive name. Think about how teammates will use it. Names like overall rating, priority score, or customer satisfaction help others understand the purpose right away. Short, specific names work best, and it's a good idea to follow your team's naming conventions so everything stays consistent across your sheets. You can also add a description. This is especially helpful for teams. Use the description to explain what each level of the rating means or when it should be used. For example, you might clarify what a 1-star versus a 5-star rating represents. That way, everyone evaluates items using the same criteria, which leads to more reliable data. Now, choose the symbol style for your ratings. Smartsheet provides a few visual options, such as stars or hearts. Pick the style that feels most intuitive for your audience and suits the tone of your project. Stars are a familiar choice for performance or quality, while hearts can work nicely for preference or sentiment. The style you choose won't change how the rating works. It simply changes how it looks. Once you've named the column, added a helpful description, and selected the symbol style you like, click Apply. That's it. Your new ratings column will appear alongside your other columns, ready for you and your team to use. From here, you'll be able to click in any cell of that column and set a rating quickly, making it easy to compare items, highlight top performers, and spot trends at a glance. Keeping the name clear and the description concise will make your ratings column an asset that speeds up reviews and improves team alignment every time you use your sheet.